Did you know some fungi synchronize their glow to the rhythm of the moon, illuminating forests with ghostly blue light? Did you know ancient cities used sundials and wind towers that doubled as microclimate sensors, shaping architecture long before thermostats? Did you know certain plants communicate through underground networks of fungi releasing chemical messages that warn neighbors about pests? Did you know humans evolved 5 basic tastes, while cultures crafted countless flavor profiles through fermentation and spice? Did you know the same mathematical patterns appear in music, forest canopies, and traffic flow, hinting at universal rhythms of nature?